T40, like sorry, I always say T40, but 40 overs game. All throughout the season, he carried the team. Whatever it is, it's very difficult job to actually captain, right? It's very difficult job. Sure. It's like किसको bowling देना है, किसको नहीं देना है. It's not just basically field placing, winning the games. It's making sure that everyone gets that. But finally, I think by looking at the scores, he delivered it, in T20 and won us basically. I think
he won the
one
match.
game, Blazers game actually, which was very.
कैप्टनसी का इतना मगजमारी किया तो मेरा बनता है. I'll tell you one thing. It was just because of the rules that I was up in those runs in that statistics. That is it. But I do believe it was just few runs behind. But I think Anuj equally deserves this award, in that, because he was just in that rows. He was just few runs behind. Anuj, you have to start signing up more games. I think I just got this because probably I signed up 2 more games in which I did not perform. Probably 6 runs here and 8 runs there. I got. Otherwise, it's you.
Anuj and Varun are the best two batsmen to cricket in our team.
Exactly. To that point, actually, like even last year, I think he probably played like 6 games. This year he played like 40 overs game. What? How many? 3 games. If you start signing up with like rest of the packs, I think I can tell you we have awesome all-rounders in our team. It's like you're awesome fielder, always dependable. It's like when you are at cover corner or long on, we are sure that you will grab that ball. You will not drop that catch. And I've seen you bat. You scored like probably 260, 70s to last year, and we hardly had actually you playing this year. So that was like something we missed.
I mean, in this T20, he has opened all the time. Amazing opening partnership. Let me tell you, the Princeton game that we won, he deserves a lot of credit of it. He did not leave that one end, and he was there till almost till the end. So actually, Anuj deserves this more, but वो साला sign up नहीं किया इसलिए ये मेरा. Last. One thing. If I know that guy will continue to play like that, he will continue to play like it, the way he's gonna play. So if we don't improve our performance, this will always go to him. We don't want, we want him, but we would want some good competition for him and trophies. This bar there was absolutely no competition. That one guy, every game. People used to ask me, toss में अगर किसी को चाहिए कोई अंपायर आता था, forget अंपायर भी और कैप्टन भी पहले पूछता था ये बलजिंदर सिंह कौन है? So they did their homework.
The Vikings empire he asked.
Exactly. अंपायर्स पूछते थे, कैप्टन पूछता था आगे का, तो मैं दिखाता था प्रदीप को ये बलजिंदर सिंह.
एक और चीज मैं कहना चाहूँगा, it was like one of the greatest gesture that umpire in a T20 game
that
he
was
showed.
The tie.
Really appreciate
Give it
it. He
tie.
awarded him a tie for his performance.
Very good point, man.
That was really great.
Actually, there was an umpire. Okay. He looked at I think that game.
Traditions
game. Okay. Again, we lost a few wickets early, and then the way Ballu played. First of all, he had delivered with ball as usual in the first thing, and he made sure that he was not out and he got us the game. He won the game for us. He was not out till end. Who was your partner in that? Who came not out? Was it
Usama ज़्यादा खेला था.
Usama ने runs बनाए काफी. Usama gave us good solid platform. But that guy made sure that he's not out till end, which I really wish that I see many more games. I have a feeling that if he wasn't out or if he had batted a few runs earlier in that first game, I think that was Barron's game in Tor Timbers. I remember his sixes, in that wood. मैं जा के थक गया उधर लाग गया.
बहुत सही मारा थे.
बहुत सही मारा था. And he scored some 78 runs in Braves game. If he had come up like two positions early. Did he get out in that game? Yeah. If that wasn't there, he would have definitely scored a century. He would have got another one of these pieces. But I'm pretty sure he's gonna do that next year. मैं तेरा अगले साल season में catch नहीं छोड़ूंगा तो तुझे 5 वाला भी मिलेगा. And whatever. Honestly, wherever we are, it's not just what he delivers. I think even looking at him, we want to perform. मतलब वो perform.
Sets the standard.
Exactly
Yeah,
like him. So he has set the standard so high. Every team opposition asks who's Baljinder, and that is what everyone by the way, so as always, T20 में भी award उसका ही, 40-40 में भी उसका ही. So he is a man of the match. T20, not man of the match, sorry. Our MVP for T20. ये सलीम ने जरा MVP का थोड़ा ये award दिया. Oops, it's good. कट कर देना, एडिट कर देना, डिस्काउंट नहीं देगा वो.
उसको थोड़ी दिखाएंगे.
So बली कम होगा.
I want to say two things actually. First thing is there is a misspelling in the name. It's like Rajinder Singh here. So that's a problem. And second thing I want to say is I want everyone to come here and give award to him because we guys actually played and enjoyed with him.
Yeah.
And so come around actually, come around.
One slap and go.
Bumps.
नीचे बैठ
खत्म करो स्वप्निल.
उसमें नाम नहीं है मेरा.
Last but not the least, we really don't know. The way this guy supports and he gives a lot of his time, he really deserves it.
both of you.
You guys, you may not know that in CLNJ there is a rule that you have to provide an umpire to the league from your team. Sagar does it for CFC all the time.
I'll tell you, if we are going to have two teams, we will need actually
share the
people to step up and share.
Yeah.
When we have the ground, we need more people to take care of it. It's not basically, imagine, if whoever actually owns the house, you know exactly how much time it takes to actually, kind of like take care of your house and probably like, that half-acre backyard or whatever that backyard is. But the big ground, we have to take care of it. So it's a big responsibility. If we are actually moving towards it, we need more.
But because of you, team really you guys managed the show. You don't know about so many things which happened at the back, and these guys really did.
मैंने आज कैप्टन की मेरे को पता चला कि कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है. पढ़ के हाथ में आया पता नहीं चलता क्या क्या करना है.
Strategy, his decision. He has a very decision management both.
Yeah.
Good at that.
All right, so let's eat.
हाँ अभी खाते हैं. जिसको पीना है तो अभी लेके जा सकते हैं. Alright, thanks for coming. जो नहीं आया है उसकी तो